All right, next let's move on to the nose. There are a couple things we can look at when we draw our nose. We want to try to find the shape of the pointy part of our nose. Some of us have circles. Some have a circle here. Some have more of a triangle. Some have sort of a different shape. I'm gonna go through and figure out what is my shape. Okay, I have sort of a circle with a little bit of a flat bottom. I'm also gonna go around and find these two lines. Okay, when I draw my nose, I'm going to use this intersection right here where these two lines meet. Right there is where I'm going to put this shape that I just drew here. Sort of a circle with a flat bottom. Okay, and then on both sides I have sort of these C shapes. One looks like a forward C, one looks like a backward C. And one thing I also want to look at is, where does this C line up on my face? It goes right in the corners of my eyes. So maybe I want to draw a quick little guideline. The corner coming down. Okay, this one needs to move out a little bit. All right, those are the only lines I'm going to draw for my nose. Let's erase the guidelines. Okay, now I'm gonna find my nostrils. They sort of make sort of a sideways raindrop shape. They're sort of open this way and then they get pointy, and they open this way. And I'm gonna color them in because they are completely shadowed, dark. This line that I drew here, he's a little bit too dark. Notice on my nose, in the original picture, you don't really see any lines. To show the shape, you actually see some shadows. So let's go through and try to mark some of those shadows. I will show you how to do that with your pencil. I see a shadow on this side of my nose, and then he sort of curves around. Let's go to my drawing. And I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to lightly color right up the side of my nose. And I see he connects to my eyebrow and is above my eyes. So let's add some shadow here. I also see he comes around the bottom of my nose. So let's draw that shadow here. All right, and I also see a little bit of shadow above my eye here, but not really along the edge of my nose. This side is brighter. I'm just gonna lightly color in here. Look at your face and figure out, where do you see your shadows? I also see a shadow kind of out here on my cheek. Let's get rid of that guideline. And let's just mark that in beside my nose here. All right, now I'm going to show you a trick. Take your finger and push your finger over this so that it blends away and makes it really smooth. The skin on our face is very soft. We don't really want any hard lines. We just want soft shadows like so. If you see any other shadows on your face, for example, I see some shadows here, I see some shadows below my nose, you can go ahead and try to put those in where you see them.